Warning. The information presented in this video is intended for experienced riders. Some complaining featured in this video may not be suitable for all audiences. Consult your physician before attempting the feats demonstrated herein. Viewer discretion is advised. All the way from the spin room to your epic bike ride pleasure. Spinning goes against road cycling rules. You don't change your RPM, you change your power and keep your cadence the same. Amateur. I'm sweating. I'm not feeling the breeze is my problem. We need to have some air in this place. $110. Okay, that's just ridiculous. How you feeling on your first EBR? All right. Kathy, how you liking this EBR right now? The SPIN-A-THON EBR. 110. There's no airflow in here. No. I think we need a heat index check. Nobody maintains 110 RPM this long. Not in any history, not in epic history. Alright, when I look down, I see all the sweat dripping right there. Right. But then when I look there, Eddie, I don't see any sweat dripping. Am I doing it wrong? I think I got a leak.
I think you do. Check your water bottle.
I think I got a leak. Alright, no hands on. No hands on. There you go. Uh-oh. Oh, you always drop it.
Did you notice the EBR shorts? These are full EBR shorts.
Whoa! EBR shorts? I'm sweating as if it was July in here.
Yeah.
Good. Getting those socks in there, I hope. Yeah, he is. Oh, alright, there we go. Finally.
EBR.
I'm not used to the saddle height, the saddle angle, or the saddle padding at all.
Are you feeling a little discomfort in the gooch area?
A little discomfort in the gooch region. I get a cramp. Definitely gonna get a cramp. I'm hydrated, thank you. I got about 60 ounces right here. I almost got like an epic bike wash going on down here. You got a good cadence there going, Eddie.
I'm in the zone.
I'm feeling it now. 115. Oh, this dude just stepped it up. Oh, there it is.
Go. Hold on, man. Hold on. Here we go. We got it, baby.
Woo! EBR. Woo! I feel like I gotta mop this up down here.
You gotta get a wipey outside, dude.
Oh,
That ain't
okay.
gonna work.